Hi guys, this is IGCSE O-Level Chemistry, paper 22, November 2017, question 21. Which statement about nitrogen and phosphorus is not correct? Both are in the same group of the periodic table. Yes, both belong to group 5. Both are in the same period of the periodic table. No, if they're in the same group, they can never be in the same period. So this is incorrect. Nitrogen is in period 2 and phosphorus is in period 3 of the periodic table. Both are non-metals, yes. Both have the same number of electrons in their outer shell. Since they are both in group 5, both of them have 5 electrons in their outer shell. So this makes option B the correct option for this question. Question 22. Sodium and rubidium are elements in group 1 of the periodic table. Which statement is correct? Sodium atoms have more electrons than the rubidium atom. No, sodium is above rubidium in group 1, so sodium would have lesser electrons than rubidium. So this is incorrect. Sodium has a lower density than rubidium. Yes, since sodium is above rubidium in group 1, it has a lower mass, and since it has a lower mass, it has a lower density. So this is correct. Sodium has a lower melting point than rubidium. Melting point down the group decreases. So sodium would have a greater melting point than rubidium. Sodium is more reactive than rubidium. Reactivity increases down the group. So rubidium would be more reactive than sodium. So this makes option B the correct option for this question. Question 23. Which properties do elements chromium, iron, and vanadium have in common? So they're all transition elements. So they all conduct electricity. Yes, because they're all metals. They or their compounds can act as catalysts. Yes, because they have variable oxidation states. They all form colored compounds. Yes, because they're all transition elements. Since all three properties are correct, option A is the correct option for this question. Question 24. Why is argon gas used to fill electric lamps? It conducts electricity? No, it does not. It glows when heated? It does not. It is less dense than air? Argon is less dense than air, yes. But that is not the reason why it is used to fill electric lamps. And it glows when heated. This is a property of noble gases. Argon should glow when it is heated, but that is not the reason why it is used to fill up electric lamps. Like neon. Neon lights have neon in them because it actually glows when it is heated. So this may be true, but it is not the reason why it is used to fill electric lamps. It is not reactive. Yes, this is the reason because metals are heated inside the electric lamps. So the gas that would fill the surrounding area would have to be a gas that would not react with the heated metal. So argon or other noble gases are such gases. Therefore, option D is the correct option for this question. Question 25. What is the property of all metals? They conduct electricity? Yes. They are hard? No. Group 1 metals are not hard. They have low melting points? No. They have high melting points. They react with water. Aluminum is a metal which does not react with water. So, the correct option for this question is option A. Question 26. Aluminum is extracted from bauxite by electrolysis. Which row shows the anode material and the anode reaction? So the anode is made up of carbon. So this eliminates options C and D. And anode is where oxidation takes place. So oxide ions are oxidized to oxygen gas. So this eliminates option A, making option B the correct option for this question. Question 27. Which statement about the metal zinc is not correct? It forms an oxide more readily than iron. Yes, because it is more reactive than iron. It is manufactured by electrolysis of zinc blende. No. Zinc blende is zinc sulfide. This is converted into zinc oxide by reacting it with oxygen, and then zinc oxide is converted into metallic zinc by reacting it with carbon. So it is not manufactured by the electrolysis of zinc blende. It is used to make brass. Yes, brass is an alloy of copper and zinc. It is used to prevent iron from rusting. Yes, by sacrificial protection of iron by coating it with a layer of zinc. Therefore, the correct option for this question is option B. Question 28. Calcium nitrate decomposes when it is heated. What is the equation for the thermal decomposition of calcium nitrate? So, when calcium nitrate decomposes, it produces calcium oxide, which is there in option A and not there in any of the other options. It produces oxygen gas, which is there in all the possible options, and it produces NO2 gas, which is there in option A and C. So, since C does not have calcium oxide, C gets eliminated, making option A the correct option for this question. Question 29. The flow chart shows stages in the treatment of river water to produce drinking water. What occurs at stages X and Y? So, river water goes into the settling tank and then is subjected to either distillation or filtration. So, filtration is what happens. Distillation is incorrect, eliminating options A and B. And after that, after stage Y happens, so stage Y is not distillation because distillation does not happen during water being converted into drinking water. Chlorination does because we need to kill the bacteria present in water so that the water does not harm us when we drink it along with the bacteria. So this makes option C the correct option for this question. Question 30. An experiment to investigate the effect of galvanizing iron is shown. X contains pure iron and Y contains galvanized iron. So the experiment is left for 7 days. The tube contains air and the tubes are inverted in a trough containing water. What happens to the water level in tubes X and Y? So in tube X, we would have the water level rising because pure iron would react with oxygen and air and it would cause the water to rise up the tube. So this eliminates options A and B. And what will happen to the water level in tube Y? We have options that it would fall and no change. It cannot fall because nothing is being pushed into the water. So no change would be the correct answer here, making option D the correct option for this question.